Exquisite flavors of Qatar. Authentic Qatari Machbous recipe. Subscribe and like for a taste of Qatar. Welcome to our channel, where we embark on a flavorful journey to Qatar. Today, we're going to share with you the secrets of making an authentic Qatari Machbous. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to show your support. Let's get started and bring a taste of Qatar to your table. Quote, to create this delightful Qatari Machbous, here are the ingredients you'll need. Ingredients. For the spice blend: 1 tablespoon ground cumin, 1 tablespoon ground coriander, 1 tablespoon ground turmeric, 1 tablespoon ground cinnamon, 1 tablespoon ground cardamom, 1 tablespoon ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon ground paprika. For the Machbous: 500 grams chicken or lamb, cut into pieces, 2 cups basmati rice, 2 tablespoons ghee or vegetable oil, 1 onion, finely chopped 4 cloves of garlic, minced, 2 tomatoes, diced 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 4 cups chicken or beef broth, salt to taste, fresh cilantro or parsley, chopped. For garnish. Now, let's dive into the world of Qatari flavors. Quote, Step 1. In a small bowl, combine the spices: ground cumin, coriander, turmeric, cinnamon, cardamom, black pepper, and paprika, to create a flavorful spice blend. Step 2. Rub the spice blend all over the chicken or lamb pieces, ensuring they are evenly coated. Let them marinate for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to develop. Step 3. Heat the ghee or vegetable oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic, sautéing until they become soft and golden. Step 4. Add the marinated chicken or lamb pieces to the pot and brown them on all sides. This will help seal in the flavors and create a rich base for the Machbous. Step 5. Add the diced tomatoes and tomato paste to the pot. Stirring everything together, allow the mixture to cook for a few minutes until the tomatoes break down and release their juices. Step 6. Rinse the basmati rice under cold water until the water runs clear. Add the rice to the pot, stirring it gently to combine it with the meat and tomato mixture. Step 7. Pour the chicken or beef broth into the pot. Season with salt to taste, and give everything a final stir. Bring the mixture to a boil. Then reduce the heat to low and cover the pot. Step 8. Let the Machbous simmer on low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the rice is tender and has absorbed all the liquid. Be sure to resist the temptation to lift the lid and peek, as this can affect the cooking process. Step 9. Once the rice is cooked, fluff it gently with a fork to separate the grains. Transfer the Qatari Machbous to a serving dish and garnish it with chopped cilantro or parsley for a vibrant touch. And there you have it, Qatari Machbous, a hearty and flavorful dish that captures the essence of Qatar. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to support our content. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey to Qatar. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make this authentic Qatari Machbous. Remember to subscribe and like the video for more delectable recipes from around the world. Until next time, Bil Hana wa Ash Shifa and happy cooking. Quote.